What's up guys, Chef Anthony here at Dawn's Appliances. So excited, man. I'm gonna pan-sear some orange roughy on a teppanyaki here. We're featuring the wolf. It's gonna be amazing, guys. Let's jump right into this. Lift the lid. Whew. Let's go, all right? Let me crank this guy up. We're gonna put this up nice and high, both burners, get it going. Let's talk about our fish, a little orange roughy, guys. We were thinking about cod. We narrowed it down to roughy. Nice mild white fish, similar to what like tilapia or anything like that. Most importantly, we're gonna pat this dry, get the moisture off this guy, okay? A little bit of olive oil. And the teppanyaki is fantastic for this, guys. Fish, all kind of dishes, all kind of entertaining. Anything you want to pan-sear in a pan, you could do in your teppanyaki on your island, in front of your friends, with your friends and family, or your loved ones. I love it, okay? Great. A little bit of smoke on that means our oil is ready to rock and roll, okay? Presentation side up. So this is the front of the fish, this is the back of the fish where the scales and the skin are. So when I say presentation side up, this is our fancy side. This is the one we want to cook first. Salt and pepper on this guy, just like this. Nice little salt, nice little pepper, okay? Then classic Old Bay. We're just gonna put a little bit of Old Bay on it, give it some spice, give it some color, give it some life to the white fish. Now we'll put it right down in the center, just like that. While that's going, we're gonna pat the other side dry, okay? Season this as well. Now this is a nice big fillet of orange roughy. This is probably gonna take 3 to 5 minutes to cook completely, okay? About a minute and a half, 2 minutes on this side. We call it the hard sear. We're gonna sear it nice and hard on here and flip it over, lower the heat and carry it over to cook, okay? Very good technique. You know, this pan-seared fish is a nice light dish. We could serve this with rice, we could serve this with a salad, we could serve this, you know, with a nice sandwich, you know what I mean? So I would actually make a fish sandwich out of this too. So if I see it looking on the ends, I see that getting white, I know I got a good quality sear. All right, crew. About a minute and a half, we're gonna give this a nice flip. See how nice and easy this is coming off? Nothing's sticking, you know? Look how good that looks. Perfect like that. And here's what I said before, you know, it's nice and tender. Now, we're gonna put it down to about a 6 or 7 on both sides, okay? We're just gonna carry it. Here's a couple ideas for you. I love a little broiled lemon with this. So I'm gonna put about 3 lemons on here. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna brown them on this side, then flip them, then put the fish on there, and that's how we're gonna roast the fish. It's gonna look great. A little bit of butter as well. We'll put 2 tabs of nice butter on here, okay? And what I like to do is just take it right here, put it right on top of the fish, just to give it some glaze. And we'll put our fish right here, and we'll continue to cook our fish right here. Fish is done, the lemon's roasted, it's infused in there. All I'm gonna do for this pan-seared fish, add a little bit of parsley on top, a little bit of fresh green, just to give it a pop, give it a nice little fresh taste. But this is done. Pan-seared fish in a few minutes for your next application, however you wanna do it. Enjoy it, everyone.